Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. What it's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see it in your inbox. You will see the picture and the title of what the video is all about. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. Also, sometimes I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive. So I want to make sure that with that notification, you'll be able to see it. So if it's something you need to watch right away because it's time sensitive, you simply press on it. But if not, you know it's something fun waiting for you a little later in the day, sitting in your emails for you to watch. Okay. Today is a day that we are going to be going through a limited edition box that I told you guys about. It is the Allure Beauty Box. Now you might be looking at this box saying, oh my God, the memories. This is a little bit smaller, but when I started with Allure, it came in this large, almost like a shoebox size, but it had this beautiful red color on it. So the Korean one is coming in this red box, and like I said, it's a limited edition. On my sneak peeks video where I go through my magazine, and I do it every month when I get my Allure magazine because it gives me the confirmation of exactly what the products are, and we're able to look at the fine print about variations and things like that. So thank you for everybody that watched that video, because we all got a second sneak peek, which was about this K-Beauty box. This box for non-Allure members was $30, and for people that subscribe to Allure from Allure.com, not Amazon.com, Allure.com, we're able to get this at a discounted price for $20. I get the Allure magazine, and because I get the magazine, I was also able to get it at the discounted price of $20 instead of $30, but I had to do it all through the Allure.com website. So really, really excited to share this with you guys. So when we opened up the box, and I always open up my boxes prior to take a picture for Instagram so that everything looks perfect and not touched, because when we come on YouTube, it's when we come to play, where we test and we show swatches and everything, and we dip into the products. So this box, I opened it up, I pulled everything out, but I wanted to show you it came with this beautiful red tissue paper. So the packaging and everything was really fantastic. And like I said, it is an Allure beauty box, but it's in red, because normally the box that we see here is this beautiful white one. So I love keeping these because they're great keepsake boxes and they're hard shell. So this red one for sure I'm going to keep, because like I said, it was a limited edition, and I'm excited to see the red box again because I haven't seen it in a while. All right. We got a card in here, but there was no pricing on here, and I did go on Amazon to double check, and Sephora some pricing on some things, so I just have some pricing on a couple of things, but I do want to read to you what's on this card, because this is the skincare that they call K-Beauty, which is Korean beauty, and this was set up and pulled together by the Allure Korean digital editor. And what they wrote on the top here is soul searching, and on the other side of the card is all the items that were in the box. So what's written here, and it was written by Sung Yen, and that's how beautiful she is. And like I said, she is the Korean digital editor for Allure. And what they wrote here is, yes, Korean women value their skincare, but contrary to the belief that 10 steps is the norm, many Koreans are fine-tuning their routines seasonally, or to address the environmental issues or skin concerns. They truly do go through 10 steps. If you ever do some research on K-Beauty, it's unbelievable. I added essence through the Korean, learning more about the Korean beauty, and I really feel like it's made a difference. So it says, if you have sensitive skin, for example, you might use the moisture ampule and then a soothing mask instead of a serum. For more mature skin, your routine might include a sleeping mask and an LED device. The typical Korean skincare regime is customized by the time of day. In the morning, they apply serums and moisturizers that protect against the fine dust and the UV light, followed by a tinted lip balm or a transparent layer of color. At night, it is common to remove your makeup with a cleansing balm or oil, and then exfoliate with an enzyme cleansing powder, and then add a soothing mask. That's also the time to indulge in the depuffing massages with eye creams. The Korean women mix and match but the one goal that never changes is having glowing, smooth skin that seems to be plumped from within. In this special edition beauty box, you will find everything that you will need to create your own K-beauty routine. So some of these products I have already enjoyed, and that's why if you watched that video where I'm showing the sneak peeks, I was really on the fence if I should indulge in this limited edition box or because I already have a couple of the items. And then I realized how much I really do enjoy those items. And for $20, one of the items that I've really enjoyed is the Saturday Skin Moisturizer. It's a water gel, which I'll show you. And that on its own here at Sephora is $39, and it's the same price everywhere. So to get that, and it's full size, and I checked everything in this box for $20, to me it ended up taking me off the fence and saying, okay, let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna go through the card and we're gonna go through it one at a time. And I wanna share with you the first item first because this is the one that really sold me on the box. It's from Saturday Skin, and I got introduced to Saturday Skin actually through BoxyCharm. I am a real strong believer in if you're able to get the boxes, even if you start with the small sample sizes from Ipsy that are $12, or the the plus, which is the full size items, for $25, and BoxyCharm has a base box for that price as well. But BoxyCharm used to do, when they only had the base box, they did a limited edition skincare box, and I wasn't able to get the first round of it because I wasn't living in the States, I don't think yet, or I was still traveling crazy. But I did get the second one, and that second one blew me away. It really started me in my trying different products in my skincare routine, because if you're like me, I originally bought a lot of my products from either the department store counter where I stuck with one line, or then I moved on to at home in my home that used to be in Canada was the shopping channel. Here it's QVC and HSN, where the brands come on and they talk to you about the products, and I ended up using the regimen of the whole line. The first time that I've done back to a regiment was when I got the Trend Mood box, which was the Ole Hendrickson, and that was really fun to be able to use everything from the same box and the same brand. So this now, I because of the boxes, I get to try so many different products and really fall in love with them. But there were a few that I've tried, which is another one that's here, that I found on Amazon because I read something and I wanted to try it, and I was able to get it at a good price on Amazon. So I'm going to go through all that with you. But okay, so much information that I want to share with you guys. So this is Saturday Skin, and this is called Waterfall. This is the box that I got on from BoxyCharm. Ironically, it was a choice of mine when the customization started, and for some reason it didn't end up in my box. But they gave us at that time, I think, a $10 toward the add-on program, and when the add-on came on, believe it or not, this product was in there, and I was able to get it. Was $12, so I ended up paying $2 for this, and I fell in love with it. It is called the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This one is 50 mils, which is 1.69 fluid ounces. This is what the jar looks like, and I'm just going to open it up for you guys so you can see. It comes with this little safety seal that I always keep on because I really feel it keeps the products really, really moist. So I used this for a period of time, and as you can tell, it looks almost like I haven't used it at all. You need so little, and if you're a combo girl like me, and even if you're not, because in the summertime, you don't need as heavy as a moisturizer, so this is really great for the time of season that we're going into, spring, summer. But if you're a combo girl, this is great all year round, and it is a gel consistency. So it's like a lightweight serum, but it's heavier than a serum, if you can see it there. And then when you put it into your skin, and that little bit would have done my face, my neck, my décolleté, everything, your skin drinks it in like as if you haven't moisturized, which I definitely do. So it's unbelievable how fantastic this product is. There is no scent to this at all, and this is what sold me on it. With Saturday Skin now, I have tried their serums, I have tried their essence. I think that it's a fantastic line, and it's definitely mid-range price, so it's definitely a win. So this is what is mine. The one that came in here came in a white box. This is what it looks like here, and I looked at everything on the box. It had the same amount, it had the same everything, and when I opened up the box, it looked exactly the same inside. So it's just the box that's different. On the one here, it's on the bottom of the box where it says it is distributed in Los Angeles, California, but it's made in Korea. So that's the only difference that I can see between the two. So really happy to have that. And like I said, this is called the Saturday Skin Glacier Water Cream, and it is a full-size product. And like I said, it's $39. And even if you would have ended up paying $30 for this box, having this in here, everything else is free, plus $9 in your pocket. So it ended up, like I said, I was on the fence when I did the video with you guys. And then when I stopped filming and I started doing the information in the description box, I said, I should get this. This is silly that I'm not. So, and there were a lot of items in here that I haven't tried yet. So it ended up being a win-win. The next item in here was one that intrigued me. This was from this brand called INNISFREE, INNISFREE. I apologize if I'm not saying that correctly. And this is their My Lip Balm. The color that I got was in 05, and it's called Wild Hibiscus, and I'm really excited because the color looks just stunning. And this one, I know there was an array of colors that you could have got. I think it was 3. And oh yeah, on the card here, so there was one that was going to be deeper. I got the middle one, and that one I'm pretty sure is more of a clear. So really happy that I got the mid-range. And let's see what we have here. So like they said, it is a lip balm. There's no information on the card like we get in the Allure beauty box, but there's enough information here. It has that tip that has that angle, which makes things easier to spread, and that's how beautiful that color is. So it has a nice flusher color. It's in between a coral and a red. Really, really pretty. Really, really happy that this was what I got. And if you're giving it as a gift, it comes in a retail box, which I absolutely love. The next item is a brand that I'm very familiar with. It's called COSRX. This is what it looks like here. And this is the brand that I read up about, and they're very, very large K-beauty brand. And I was able to try one of their products, and I showed it in the initial video when we did the sneak peek. What I ended up buying, like I told you, I'm really into these essences, which is, it's a water-like consistency that you put on after you cleanse, after you tone. You literally put this essence on. It almost feels like water, but something in an essence enables my serums to penetrate better, then my creams to penetrate better. Whenever I feel I miss out on that essence step, if I run out of it or things like that, it surprises me how much that little step makes a big difference in my skincare routine. So then when I saw that one of the other products that was in here was from this same brand that I use, the essence that I get from Amazon, this blew my mind. So this is called Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. And initially I was like, Snail? But I'm telling you, there's something within it that makes such a difference. All the writing on here is in a different language, but you have an ingredient list on the box here. And so the actual first ingredient is the snail secretion. So you're really getting a really high dose of what the first ingredient is on this. And what it's written here, it just says it's COSRX. It's the Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. This is a full size. I checked this up to see if this was available, if I fall in love with it. It is available on Amazon, and this is only $22, and this is 25 ml, 0.85 fluid ounce. And I love using eye creams. I'm just going to, because this hasn't been pumped out yet, it takes a little bit to usually, there we go. Okay. And as you know, with eye cream, you need very, very little. So one pump should be way more than enough. You're supposed to put it on your ring finger and then put the product between the two fingers, and that is enough for both eyes. And it feels extremely lightweight, almost very similar to the water cream. And my skin just drank that in also. Unbelievable. So also, no scent on this either. There isn't either on the essence. Really, really happy that this was in there. So those two products for sure was what sold me. This was a treat to be able to get. The next item was the only thing that was in the sample size, which is this one called Zero. And I read up on this, and a lot of people really fell in love with it, and it's a cleansing balm. And this is called BANILA. It's from the BANILA company, B-A-N-I-L-A. It is a Clean It Zero Purifying Cleansing Balm. And the first time I got introduced to cleansing balms was actually from IT Cosmetics. And then now I know a lot of the girls are using the ones from pharmacy because they were able to get it in their boxes. I haven't gotten a cleansing balm in any of my boxes yet. So we'll see when we do the pop-up and that, and we'll see, because I know when there was a sale, the last BoxyCharm sale that they had, It was supposed to be on there, but I think I get on early enough, but I never seem to. There always seem to be a lot of items that are sold out prior to. So this is what the product looks like here. It is truly a balm. There is a very light scent to it, but really none. And that's what it looks like here. And what you do is you simply put this, massage all over your face, and then you take a cloth to just wipe it off. So it's supposed to help melt the makeup away so that by the time you wash, I always do a double cleanse anyways, but this will be fun to try. So that's what this product is here. And then the last product that was in the box was this humongous mask, and it is from TONYMOLY, and I love TONYMOLY. TONYMOLY is a really inexpensive K-beauty brand, and this one is the 24 karat Snail Hydro Gel Mask. That's what it looks like here. All the directions at the top part here are in that foreign language. And then on the bottom here, it simply says gold added Snail Hydro Gel Mask will help elasticity and vitalize the skin. It is a snail secretion also, and they're saying it has pure gold, and its highly moisturizing high gel mask will provide an upgrade skincare effect in terms of moisture, elasticity, nourishment with gold added ingredients. And really, really excited to try this. So simple directions are to tear it open, apply it to the face, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then remove. I try to leave masks on even a little bit longer, but what I do, just another little tip, if this is of any value to anybody, when I get these, I always make sure that when I open this, I open it from the top and I pull it out over a sink very gently. And I try to let whatever, because there's always so much more serums in these masks than what are actually on the masks. And then whatever's left over, I then fold it down and I clip it. And then over the next couple of days, I use this straight, like as if it's one of the serums that I bought. And I feel I get a lot more use out of a one-time use mask because I use the serum for a couple of days after the fact. So that's just a little tip that I do, and I really think it's a good tip. So that's everything that I got. So I am so excited to be able to share this with you guys. Like I said, I found out about it in the magazine. I immediately filmed it so that you guys can find out about it too. I would love if you guys did pick this up, if you leave in my comments down below if you got it. If not, I hope that you are subscribed to my channel so that if these little things that we find out, that I find out, and I'm able to share with you guys, that you won't miss out in the future. If you're enjoying my content, I really hope that you will give my videos a thumbs up. Supposedly that's really important on the YouTube platform so that other people that don't know who I am can find me. And that little thumbs up is right underneath the video. It takes 1 second to press that, but it helps me a lot. And sharing my channel and telling other people about me has been so, I can't thank you guys enough, because I'm not on Facebook, I'm not on, this is my whole introduction into social media was through YouTube, and now I've also started with the Instagram where we're growing really quickly. So that's the two areas that I have. As you know, I still work, so time-wise it's like so hard to be able to sit down and share with you guys and then follow up and share with you guys, which is my favorite part, which is through the comments that you guys share with me, because then I really feel like we have a community, and things that maybe I don't know about or you've learned from me, we share together in there. So I love when you guys leave me comments, and even just to say hi, I caught your video, anything, just so that I know that I'm not just talking to myself to a camera, and I love that so much too. So I just want to tell you all that I appreciate that you take time out of your day to spend it with me, and I'm hoping everyone is still staying safe and well, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.